Hello, sir. So, about the first session where we were talking about artificial intelligence and artificial intelligence taking over humans' actions and the jobs and everything. So, what are your views on that? Would you like to add on to some points to that?
Oh yes, in fact, if we see the AI is creating a storm everywhere, and right from Niti Aayog to if you see the India's task force headed by Mr. Chandrasekaran, all have advocated that the usage of AI should go up. Now, the global legal service business is about $1 trillion, and that business can further go up if the usage of AI is ensured. Now, AI is what it is doing is that just other than the programming, it is making the machine to learn and reinvent. So this is a very big thing for the legal fraternity. And what we have seen is that countries like Australia, US, they have found that AI to large extent is making the job simpler. Now it doesn't mean that the lawyers and the law firms they will vanish. No, their business is only going to go up, and it is also going to bring a lot of peace in the society. So I think that is one of the takeaways from the panel discussion that we did.
So we can see that India is already struggling with unemployment issues. And after industrialization, when computers arrived, we saw a major downfall in the employment level. So don't you think that the AIs will finally create a threat for the employed people already who are employed, like the clerical work we are doing? So don't you think the AIs would take over the job and more unemployment would be there?
Well, my view is that there are two things. One is that people will have to upskill themselves. So that's a thing that we have to take for granted, that we are in the world characterized by volatility, uncertainty, complexity, ambiguity, nature apathy, wisdomlessness, or you can sum up as the Kalyu. So in this particular era, you have to upskill yourself constantly. Second is see the number of pending cases in India. People give various figures, lakhs and crores. So now, if AI can help in the fast disposal, I think it's going to create more jobs. So, and then further, the legal process outsourcing through which we can get, the assignments abroad as well. So, all the respects, it's going to be good for India, and that's why Niti Aayog says that political, legal, and economic. These three areas, if we make the AI work for us, then India has the potential that we can be one of the major countries of the world in the terms of AI.
So about the second session, that whether online internships are better than offline internships. As a law student, we generally prefer online because due to our busy schedules in the colleges and everything. So what are your takes on that?
See, I would say that it's more about the self discipline. First is, of course, the purpose, what you want to do, because there could be something where online could be better. And second is your own self discipline. See, let us learn from Eklavya. Eklavya was told by his guru that I would not teach you, but still Eklavya could learn. So the thing is that online can be good, but provided you keep the self-discipline. If we are not able to keep the self-discipline, then we will unnecessarily we will accuse that online internship has not helped. But then we will have to understand that there are many things which are a limitation when it comes to online internship. So purpose and self-discipline, these are the key.
So speaking about INBA as an NGO, what are your views on that, the works that we are doing? What are your views on the works and the student memberships and everything that INBA is providing to us?
INBA is doing a fantastic work. Even if you see the today's program that has been attended by students from so many law schools and different faculty members, advocate, judges, they are making it to this grand event. So that in itself shows the respect that INBA gets. And second thing is the purpose for which INBA is working. That is fabulous because if they keep working on that and they will be able to serve the country in much better way than other legal associations that are doing. And I think that, to the best of my knowledge, what INVA is doing, it is definitely best in India. And look at the international recognitions. We have a gentleman from Sweden who has come and who is representing INBA over there and getting, so much of recognition over there. So I think INBA has set its sight on the domestic turf, and as well as internationally, it is getting popular. So on the whole, INBA is very good as far as the promotion of the legal services in India is concerned, and quite catering to the requirements of the government of India of a new Bharat, Shrestha Bharat.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
No, they were students. I have just two
Why
volunteers.
students left? They had exam.
Students were supposed to leave by
Yeah.
1:30,
No.
right?
They were supposed to stay, and we asked them to stay. They did not.
Ma'am said,
I told them they didn't like it only. I
As
told them.
ma'am had told the students to
See
stay.
what they're saying, like we have exam. They told me that we have exam.
yeah, actually they have exam.